हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अरुण एक्सीलेंस एकेडमी। सो आज हम आपका टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाले एसिड्स, ठीक है। तो वील डिस्कस एसिड्स टुडे। नाउ व्हाट आर एसिड्स? एसिड्स आर सब्सटेंसेस दैट गिव H पॉजिटिव आयंस इन देयर एक्वस सॉल्यूशंस, ठीक है। ब्रॉन्स्टेड एंड लॉरी का कॉन्सेप्ट था कि H पॉजिटिव आयंस जो सब्सटेंसेस देते हैं अपने एक्वस सॉल्यूशन में, दीज आर कॉल्ड, दीज सब्सटेंसेस आर नोन एज एसिड्स, ओके। Examples are hydrochloric acid, HCl, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, H3PO4, phosphoric acid. Now how will it dissociate in your aqueous solution? Let me take HCl. If I make its aqueous solution, what do you mean by aqueous solution? When your substance is dissolved in water, that is known as aqueous solution. So when we take HCl in or aqueous solution of HCl, let me write AQ here, okay. It will dissociate into its ions. It will break down into its ions, which are H positive and Cl negative. So in their aqueous solutions, since HCl is giving H positive ions, so HCl is an acid. Again, let me take another example, which is H2SO4. If I take aqueous solution of H2SO4, which is sulfuric acid, I will get 2 H positive ions, okay, and sulfate ion, SO4, 2 negative ion. So this is how the ions will split in aqueous solution of H2SO4. Since H2SO4 is also giving H positive ions in their aqueous solution, it is known as acid, okay. So acids are that give H positive ions in their aqueous solutions. Now let me tell you one thing also. H positive ion, actually it is a bare proton. We know that hydrogen atom only contains one proton and one electron. If this electron is removed, it will convert into H positive ion. Now this H positive ion is a bare proton. It cannot remain in that aqueous solution like this. So what it does, it actually attaches to a water molecule and converts into H3O positive ion. Now this is known as hydronium ion. Okay, so if someone asks you how does an acid dissociate into its aqueous solution, or how H positive remain in the aqueous solution, you will always say H positive ions in an aqueous solution is always found in this form, hydronium form, ठीक है, hydronium ion. Now acids can be divided into two categories, okay. It can be classified as mineral acids and organic acids. Now mineral acids are which occur in the minerals in the earth crust, like H2SO4, HCl, phosphoric acid, ठीक है. These acids are obtained from the minerals present in the earth crust. We all have metals in the earth crust, okay. Minerals, phosphates, sulfates, chlorides. These acids are obtained from minerals, okay. Now organic acids, in organic acids if we see, these are the acids that occur naturally in plants and animals. For example, we will take lemon. We have citric acid in lemon. All your sour fruits contain citric acid. Similarly orange, okay, it also contains citric acid. If we take tamarind, tamarind is imli, ठीक है, हिंदी में इमली. Tamarind contains tartaric acid. Curd or milk contains lactic acid, okay. Tomato, it contains more than 2-3 acids, but it also contains oxalic acid, okay. Let us take an example of an animal or insect. If we talk about ant, it contains formic acid, okay, HCOOH. And bee sting, ठीक है, जब बी मधुमक्खी काट लेती है तो क्या होता है, मिथेनोइक एसिड, जलन होती है ना, ड्यू टू मिथेनोइक एसिड, okay. So here we studied about what are acids. How can we classify a substance into acid? If it gives H positive ions in its aqueous solution, it will be known as an acid. And on the basis of the source from which the acid is obtained, we can classify it into two parts, mineral acids and organic acids, okay. So this is the टॉपिक ऑफ योर एसिड्स। नाउ अभी अभी आपका सेशन शुरू हुआ है। इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक 1-on-1 सेशंस यू कैन सी अरुण एक्सीलेंस एकेडमी का नीचे यहाँ नंबर आ रहा है, आप हमें कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं 1-on-1 सेशंस के लिए, जो आपके लिए बहुत ही यूजफुल रहेंगे। थैंक यू।